When people first hear about crypto, they almost always ask the same question. Can I actually trust this? This question is not really about technology. It is about fear. Fear of losing money. Fear of not understanding something. Fear of trusting the wrong thing. Banks have executives. Companies have CEOs. Countries have governments. We grow up believing that when something breaks, there is always someone responsible. So when Bitcoin and Ethereum say no one is in charge, our instincts panic. If no one runs it, who decides? Who fixes problems? And why hasn't it collapsed? This reaction makes sense, but it also reveals a habit. We are trained to look for people, managers, leaders, someone with authority. Crypto does not work through people. It works through structure. The real question is not who. It is how. Not who is responsible, but how order continues when no one has final authority. Think about everyday systems. No one runs the rules of the road. There is no single driver controlling traffic. Yet traffic flows. Most people stop at red lights. And when someone ignores the rules, the system responds. Order exists, not because someone is watching everyone, but because the rules are shared and consistently enforced. You don't trust traffic because you trust other drivers. You trust it because you understand the system. Crypto works in a similar way. Bitcoin is rule-based. Its rules are simple, rigid, and extremely difficult to change. That rigidity is intentional. Bitcoin does not adapt quickly, but it also does not bend. No one can wake up one day and decide to print more. No one can rewrite balances because of influence or status. It treats every participant the same. That predictability is what creates trust. Ethereum is system-based. It coordinates many participants at once: developers, validators, applications, infrastructure providers. This flexibility allows experimentation, but it also introduces complexity. Ethereum evolves, but only through transparent processes and shared incentives. Neither system has a boss, but neither system is uncontrolled. So why does this still feel uncomfortable? Because in everyday life, responsibility usually has a face. If something goes wrong, we want a person to call, a leader to blame, a decision maker to pressure. Crypto removes that shortcut. Responsibility still exists, but it is distributed across rules, processes, and incentives. That feels unfamiliar, especially for beginners, and unfamiliar often feels unsafe. Instead of managers, crypto has roles. Validators secure the network. Developers propose changes. Infrastructure participants keep things running. Companies like Bitmine do not control Ethereum. They participate in it. They follow the same rules as everyone else. They provide reliability and infrastructure, but they cannot override outcomes, change balances, or bend the system to their will. Participation is not control. So, can you trust crypto? Not because someone promises to protect you, but because the structure limits what anyone can do. Bitcoin is governed by rules. Ethereum is coordinated by systems. Responsibility does not disappear. It moves away from authority and into structure. Once you see that, crypto stops looking chaotic and starts looking intentional. If you want to understand crypto, stop asking who is in charge. Start asking what the system allows and what it does not.